not give him Gosha. Because this place was excavated by the Goswamis. Sara Goswami, Sanatana Goswami came here, Rupa Goswami came here, and then other Goswamis, Jiva Goswami, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, all joined together for executing the order of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to write books about Krishna, his pastimes, his Leela, very, highly spiritual understanding books they wrote. Nana Shastra Vichara Naika Nipuno Sadharma Samasthapaku. This is the business of the Goswami. The symptom. The first symptom is Krishna Kirtana Gana Nartana Paru. They are always busy. Krishna Kirtan. Krishna Kirtan means just like we perform Kirtan with whole karta, this is also Kirtan. And to write books, that is also Krishna Kirtan. And to read books, that is also Krishna Kirtan. Not that simply this Kirtan is Kirtan. If you write books about Krishna, if you read books about Krishna, if you talk about Krishna, you think of Krishna, you worship Krishna, you cook for Krishna, you eat for Krishna, so that is Krishna Kirtan. Therefore, Goswami means 24 hours engaged in Krishna Kirtan, in this way or that way. Krishna Kirtana Gana Nartana Paru. How? Premamritam Nidhi. Because they are merged into the ocean of Krishna Prem. Unless we have got Krishna Prem, love for Krishna, how we can remain satisfied simply in the business of Krishna? That is not possible. Those who have not developed love for Krishna, they cannot be engaged 24 hours in the business of Krishna. We should consider that we should save time always to be absorbed in Krishna business. The period we sleep, that is wasted. That is wasted. So we shall try to save time. Kirtaniya Sadahari. Hari is another name of Krishna. The Sada, 24 hours. They actually the Goswamis used to do. They are our example. They are sleeping not more than 2 hours, at most 3 hours. Nidra Ahara Viharakadi Vijito. They conquered over, this is Goswami, they conquered over these things. What is that? Nidra Ahara. Nidra Ahara Vihara. Vihara means sense enjoyment. And Ahara means eating or collecting, generally eating, Ahara. And Nidra. Nidra Ahara Viharakadi Vijito. Conquered. That is Goswami. Not that out of 24 hours, 36 hours sleeping. And at the same time passing on as Goswami. What is this Goswami? Godas. They are Godas. Go means senses. And Das means servant. So our policy should be, instead of becoming servant of the senses, we have to become servant of Krishna. This is Goswami. Because unless you conquer over senses, will always ask him, please eat, please sit, please have sexual intercourse, please have this, please have this. This is material life. This is material life. Subjected to the dictation of the senses. That is material life. And one has to become, Goswami means the mind is dictating. Please eat more, please sleep more, please have sex more. please have a defense fund more. So this is materialism. Defense fund means to keep money. That is defense fund. So this is materialism. The spiritualism means no. There is no. Midara. This sense is dictating, do this, do that, do that, do that. And you have to become so strong that you will rightly reply, no, this is not. Then Goswami. This is Goswami. Grihomedi, Grihastha, appearing like the same. But Grihastha means no dictation of the sense. Then you become Goswami. Then as Narottam Das Thakur said, Griheva bonete thake ha Gauranga bole na. Ha Gauranga, always chanting Nitai Gaur, thinking of Nitai Gaur. Such person, Narottam Das Thakur says, Griheva, he may be a sannyasi or he may be a grihastha, it doesn't matter. Because he is absorbed in the thought of Nitai Gaur. Narottam mage tar sang. Narottam is always desiring to associate with such person. Griheva bonete thake ha Gauranga bole dake. Narottam mage tar sang. Narottam is always desiring the society of such person. Krishna kirtana gana nartana karo premamritamani dhi dhira dhira janapriyo. And Goswami has to become very dear to all classes of men. There are two classes of men, dhira and adhira. Dhira means one who has controlled the senses, and adhira means one who could not. Goswami said, very kind to all classes of men. Dhira, dhira, janapriyo. So how the Goswami can be, when 6 Goswamis were here in Vrindavan, they are so popular to the whole people. Even in this Vrindavan town, the village people, if they had some quarrel with husband and wife, they would go to Sanatana Goswami. Sir, there is some disagreement between us. You settle up. And Sanatana Goswami will give his judgment. You are wrong. That's all. They will accept. Let's see how they popular they are. Sanatana Goswami will give decision among their family quarters. So, dhira dhira janapriyo. These ordinary men, they are not saintly persons, but they are devoted to Sanatana Goswami. Therefore their life was successful, because they would abide by the orders of Sanatana Goswami, therefore they are also liberated. They may be personally wrong, but they abided by the Sanatana Goswami, and Sanatana Goswami was kind to them. This is the Goswami. You can also call them, give them prasadam, treat them very nicely. Just hear Hare Krishna, you come here, chant Hare Krishna, take prasad, they will be under your control. They will be under your control. And as soon as they become under your control, they make advance immediately. Because under the Vaishnava, he agrees to abide by. He becomes. That is called Ajnata Sukriti. Because he offers, just like when we walk, they say, Hare Krishna, Jai Radhe, that is the method of offering respect. So, if these ordinary people offer respect to the Vaishnava, they become advanced. So you must be Vaishnava, otherwise why they will offer you respect? Respect cannot be demanded, it must be commanded. By seeing you, they will give you respect. Then dhira dhira janapriyo. This is Goswami. Thank you very much.